Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to OKX. Make sure you'll watch till the end so don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. First, open up the Tonkeeper app to your mobile device. On the home screen, select your Toncoin balance. Now tap on the send button. Here you'll notice that you need both an address and a comment for the transfer. Now switch over to the OKX app. In the crypto section, search for Toncoin and tap on it. Then tap on receive and copy the displayed wallet address. Go back to the Tonkeeper app. Paste the copied address into the address field. Paste the copied address and the provide memo into the comment field. Make sure to Toncoin is selected as the token. Enter the amount you want to send. It's a good idea to start with the small test amount first to make sure everything works properly. Once everything looks correct, tap continue. Confirm the transaction details and hit send. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your Toncoin from Tonkeeper to OKX. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.